Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a TikTok video to your favorites. If you come across a video that you want to save and easily access later, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the video you want to add to your favorites. Tap on the bookmark icon from the icons to the right. This will mark the video as a favorite. Step 3. Tap on OK to confirm and add the video to your favorites. By following these steps, you can easily add a TikTok video to your favorites and create a personalized collection of videos that you love. This feature allows you to quickly access and enjoy your favorite TikToks at any time. Whether it's a funny skit, a dance routine, or an inspiring moment, saving videos to your favorites ensures that you never miss out on the content that brings you joy. We hope you find this guide helpful in adding TikTok videos to your favorites. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching and enjoy curating your own collection of favorite TikToks.